Hey y'all, got me here back with another video. I am doing a vegan seafood boil sauce that I got from Ghetto Vegans, and I'm gonna just add my little twist to it. And here we go. First, I'm gonna put the white onion. This is my pot, and it's only half. Get everything out of here. Teaspoon of ground black pepper. I don't really know how to measure, so I'm just gonna, season with the gods. Looks great, huh? Wow. This is the, minced garlic. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of that. Ooh, it's really strong. Be nice and garlicky. We like garlic in here. All right. This mushroom seasoning blend. I actually tried it for the first time today and it's pretty good. Can add a little extra of that. Look at that coming out. There we go. All right. Put a little chili powder in there. Some lemon pepper. Ooh, that's enough of that. Some garlic powder. Woo! It looked like a lot, but it's not really. Onion powder. It's gonna be real seasoned. Nobody. Some parsley flakes. It's not done. She's over here judging me, y'all. All right, some Cajun seasoning. A little easy on the Cajun. I don't like my stuff too hot. Uh-oh. It's not open. It's not open, y'all. Well, that's how you do things around here. It just pops on.
Yeah, make sure it's snap. Wow, that shit.
I'm scared. All right, we're back. Not too much. All right, the smoked paprika. Old Bay, 30% less sodium. Guess we can put a good amount since it's less sodium. The Tonys, you can see you. It's okay. All right, and lemon juice, just 1 full lemon. All right, now for the vegetable broth, we're gonna do 1 cup. I feel like that came off a little too easy. All right. So this is actually for the end, so we'll wait to do that. What we gotta add also is the butter. I'm gonna cut it in half here. Or try to cut it in half. You ready? Too much room?
Not letting me press the red.
and 1 stick of butter. All right, so now we need to go warm this up, and I will show you guys what it looks like afterward. All right, you guys, this is the final result. Ooh. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, this is the vegan sausage. 3 minutes on one side, flip it again, and 3 minutes on the other side. We are back. We are back. Look at this. I'm gonna show you the side on this side.
Sure.
It's kind of hard to see.
So we have some baby bella mushrooms, some asparagus, some broccoli, and then the vegan sausage.
We have the intense sweet corn.
Okay, y'all, so this is more of a vegetarian, I guess.
Okay, see boy, yeah. Okay, let's do that.
Because we wanted eggs.
Yeah. So we got our 4 eggs and potatoes. Yep. Now this is the fun part. Turkey size bags to start getting our boil ready. All right, so I've never used these before. That's yours. All right, guys, we are gonna do the mushrooms first.
Get yours first.
Squeaky chair. Go ahead, 6 total. All right, so the mushrooms are done. Okay. Vegan sausage next. How does it smell? Appley?
It smells familiar, like something we've had.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Broccoli. I'll get the rest of that. Asparagus.
Alright, ooh, the corn. The best part. Woo! It's gonna be so good.
The eggs is the best part.
Oh no, something about the corn.
Because it's sweet.
Alright, now. It's not recording? I'm kidding. Now we can turn our bags and we'll show y'all what it looks like. Here, I'll get the perfect one. Don't mind.
Now that flavor gonna stop cooking now.
Woo! All right, potato time. All right, you want to show everybody the bag? Now, once again, we're putting our seasonings. We did the seasonings for the sauce already, but now it's time for the actual boil.
Is this similar to Tony's? You think?
I think so. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, I feel like everything has pretty much damn near the same stuff. Get it in there. Make some shakes. Add garlic. Shoot, it's like
It's not coming out.
Wait, are you using the? No, you're using the wrong side. Use that.
I don't want too much to come out.
but it's little.
Oh.
They like.
Okay, that's
I'm just mixing mine, y'all. Mix. This is our first time ever doing something like this, so
yeah.
really excited, and we love seafood. There's a few other mushrooms I couldn't find, so next time I'll look a little harder.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be good. Especially once we add the sauce.
That asparagus is strong. Smell it.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't even know it had a smell.
Asparagus? Oh yeah. Yours look a little more flavorful than mine.
You know.
Did I not put enough? You know I love flavor. But look at that egg.
Look at that garlic all at the
Look
bottom.
at that egg though.
Oh, yeah.
That looks beautiful.
Don't see that egg? I feel like I need
Do I need to put some more?
Like, maybe Tony's. I didn't add Tony's.
It's like, should I add the lemon pepper? Actually, I should add a little garlic salt, which I don't have over here.
Yeah, that's what we're missing.
Do you mind getting that?
Sure.
Thank you, cutie.
Anything else? Want some cayenne?
No. You can have that. Garlic on top of garlic on top of garlic on top of garlic. I know it's gonna be enough. Here's what more flavor than that.
Let me just add like a slight bit more. Remember the sauce too, so
Yeah. Let me stop.
that should be fine. We ain't trying to have a little brush.
All right, y'all. Now we have to fold it. Yeah, you already getting ahead of yourself. You ready?
Oh, yeah. Where's that marker?
There's some over
There
here.
was an orange Sharpie.
Make sure you're able to open it too easily.
Put a hair tie on mine.
Wait, is it gonna burn?
I don't think so.
It has rubber in it.
Okay.
Girl.
Foil.
Or we can just know which side is ours.
Duh, right?
Alright, we'll do that. I don't know what we thinking.
Give them a close up.
Yeah, go ahead. Do yours first. Focus though. Yeah. Bring it back for you guys. All right. All right, y'all. 10 minutes later, and we are back. So we also added butter as well. We didn't show you guys that, but butter, 1 stick of butter per each. So.
Well, hot.
Gotta leak. It's okay. It's gonna leak. It's messy.
You ready?
Oh, and this is our sauce. Ooh.
I'm gonna try a mushroom.
I think I'm gonna try broccoli. Are you gonna dip it? I'm gonna not dip it first.
Actually, yeah, let me
I'm
try.
gonna go ahead and try.
Go ahead. It's a little too hot.
I'm about to dip it. Alright, this is with the dip. It's still like The sauce, I feel like it's still giving me like a sour taste.
For the lemon?
It's not bad, but it's definitely giving me like a salty, sour taste. More than.
It's the lemon.
I'm glad we only did that one, because if it was the other, if we put two, it would have been really much. Yeah.
It's good though.
Yeah, it's really good. Ooh, try this vegan sausage.
Let me try it first.
Let me know. Not bad. It's like apple sage, so it has like sweet hint to it. Let me put it in here.
I actually like it.
Yeah. I thought you didn't like it the way you were looking. I think maybe less lemon for me.
I agree.
Because we did put it in here and it's in here. I can't taste it as much in here.
Right. But we did fresh lemon. That's probably why. Fresh squeeze.
Okay. How was the mushroom?
I didn't try it yet. I think it's a little too hot.
Oh, I'm about to try mine. But good.
Nice asparagus.
It's like the onions in here. We didn't put onion. What you think? What'd you try?
Asparagus.
Yeah, the onion was good. I mean, the onion. The mushroom was good.
Okay. I'm gonna try it.
I'm gonna try the